Stuck, broken, or missing letter, number, or arrow keys on your Lenovo laptop? Replacing them yourself is often possible. This video covers the essentials for a successful DIY repair, focusing on these small, commonly replaced keys. We'll cover key types, tools, and step-by-step instructions. Remember to back up your data before starting. Lenovo laptops use two main keyboard mechanisms. Scissor switch keys are common in ThinkPad series, featuring a plastic mechanism underneath for stability and a tactile feel. Membrane or rubber dome keys are common in IdeaPad series, with a simpler design that sits on a rubber membrane and is sometimes glued in place. Knowing your keyboard type is crucial for the correct replacement method, as the process differs significantly between the two. Begin by powering off your laptop, and if possible, removing the battery to ensure safety. Next, gently insert the keycap puller under the keycap. Then lift straight up while avoiding any sideways bending. For membrane keys, be extra careful as they may be glued. Remember, the goal is to detach the key without damaging the underlying mechanism. Once the key is removed, use a microfiber cloth and isopropyl alcohol to gently clean the switch and surrounding area. This removes debris that may have caused the issue. Inspect the switch for damage, such as broken clips or a torn membrane. To install the new key, first align the new key's clips or hooks with the corresponding parts on the switch. Next, press down firmly on the key until you hear a click. This secures the key in place. The click sound confirms that the key is securely in place. Finally, double-check that the key is properly aligned before proceeding. Power on your laptop and test the new key by typing it repeatedly to ensure it responds correctly. If the key doesn't work, recheck the alignment and ensure it is fully seated by pressing down firmly. If problems persist, the switch itself might be faulty, or the replacement key may not be compatible with your model. Check Lenovo's support site for compatible parts to ensure you have the right replacement. Keyboard repair trends are shifting toward user-empowered and sustainable practices. DIY repairs have seen a 40% increase, driven by community resources and easier access to parts. Lenovo is implementing more modular keyboard designs in recent models like the ThinkPad X1 series, making individual key replacements simpler and reducing e-waste. Newer laptops include diagnostic firmware that can identify faulty keys, streamlining the repair process without full keyboard replacement. Eco-friendly initiatives promote circular economy practices, with predictions that 50% of laptops will feature repair-friendly keyboards by 2030. Affordable 3D printed key replacements are becoming common, offering cost-effective alternatives to OEM parts. Future developments include AI-assisted diagnostics and recyclable materials. Communities like iFixit and Reddit's r/Lenovo provide current repair guides.